Waffle, can you?
Well, I don't know when you're talking to family.
Come on. Really? Can you take it outside? No, stop. No, Waffle. Take it outside and eat it. Waffle, take the bird outside. Stop eating the bird. Just take it outside and eat it, Waffle. Take the bird out. I don't want to deal with this, Waffle. Please. There's a hurricane in Texas, and you're just chewing on a bird like nothing. What? Come on. Waffle, stop, Waffle. Right by the bathroom, like, and right into the kitchen. Like, we're gonna have to jump over. Stop playing with it. She's not even eating it. She's just playing with it. What the?
Get it out of the house, man. You know how fucking gross that is?
It's.
Take care of it.
I'm not taking care of it. Nope.
Waffle!
I'm just leaving. No, I don't want to deal with this.